Morning, students. Same topic, pair of linear equation in two variable. In the last topic yesterday, I told you how to draw the graph, and now I will tell you when the graph is given in this form and you have to find these things. Draw the graph of equation. Last question of your exercise 3.2. Draw the graph of equation x minus 1, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. These two equations are given, and next line is determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Sometimes you have to find the area of the shaded region also, the triangle which formed on the x-axis in these two equations. So first we will find the table and then we make the graph. So then how we make the graph? First I put x here and y on the right hand side it become positive and 1 on the right hand side it become negative. Now put the value of y and take the value of x. When we put the value of y 1, then x equal to 1 minus 1, x equal to 0. Okay. Or when we put the value of y equal to 2, then x equal to 2 minus 1. Okay. And your second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Then 3x equal to 12. When we transpose the minus 12 on the right hand side, it become positive minus 2y. Then x equal to 12 minus 2y upon 3. 3 here, 3x means become divided by 3. So when we put 0 here, y equal to 0 here. So 12 minus 2 into 0 upon 3. Then x equal to 12 minus 0 upon 3. It is equal to 3 4 are 12. X equal to your is this. When I have value y equal to 0, then x equal to 4. And when I will take the value of 3 here, x equal to y equal to 3. Then x equal to 12 minus 6 upon 3. It is equal to 2 3 are 6. Then when I have taken y equal to 3, 3 2 जा 6, 12 में से 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 6 आ गया और यहाँ 3 है डिनोमिनेटर में, so 3 2 जा 6. Then x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Now these are your two tables and you have to draw it on the graph and then see where the triangle formed on the x-axis. These are your two tables. Now I have to make the graph. Equal distance you will take. This is the origin 1, 2, 3 and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Here from the left hand side it is negative signs and 0 on the right hand side positive signs and upward positive signs and downward negative sign. Now locate these points when equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay. Or when x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale. This is your first line and equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now draw the second line when x equal to 4, y equal to 0. These points lie on these points and x on the x-axis 4 and 0 lie. When x equal to 2, y equal to 3. When x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Okay, now shade the triangular region on the x-axis. This is your x-axis and shade the triangular region. Okay, you have to shade this triangular region. And if in this question, you have to find the area of x-axis also, so then how you find the area of x-axis? You will take the base. Base is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your base is 5 and height is 3. So how you find the area? Area triangle का कैसे find करेंगे? Area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Base is 3, base is 5, and height is 3. 15 upon 2 equal to 7.5 square unit x-axis. And sometimes you have to find the area of the region along with the y-axis. Then how you will find? This is the y-axis from this point to this point. First you will find the base 1, 2, 3 and 4. Base is 4 and height is 2. So when you have to find the area along with the y-axis, and this is your base and this is the, and if you have to find the area of the triangle along with the x-axis, then this is your base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is your base and height is 1, 2 and 3. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. When the two equations are given, then how you shade the area triangle with the x-axis along with the x-axis, and how you will find the area. In this question, area is not given, but I tell you how you will find the area also. When area is also you have to find. Now to solve the linear equation in two variable, find the values of x and y. There are three methods which you have to adopt. The three methods are, the first one is the method to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable. The first method is substitution method. And the second one is elimination method. And third one is substitution. Third one is cross multiplication method. There are three methods to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable to find the value of x and y. Today we will discuss the substitution method, how we find the values of linear equation in two variable by using the substitution method. There are three methods: substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication. Today we will solve some questions to use this method, substitution method. The first question of your 3.3 exercise is x plus y equal to 40 and x minus y equal to 4. Two equations are given, and how you will find the value of x and y. There are three methods, but first we will use the substitution method. Equations are given. First we will take the value of x and y transpose on the right hand side, 14 plus y, and the value of x substitute in the second equation. put the value of, substitute the value of x in equation 2. This is your second equation, x minus y equal to 4. And the value of x is, from the first equation, the value of x is 14 plus y. Now you will put the value of x here, 14 plus y. ये प्लस वाई इधर ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा तो माइनस वाई आएगा, सॉरी, ये प्लस वाई इधर ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा तो माइनस वाई, 14 माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 4, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ प्लस रहेगा तो y से y कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now see in this question, when plus y transpose on the right hand side, then it become the 14 minus y, and you will value of x in the equation 2. So I put the value of x, 14 minus y here, 14 minus y minus 2y, and you will transpose 14 here, 4 minus 14, it become minus 10, cancel minus with minus, so the value of y is 2 5 jar 10, so value of y is 5. Substitute in the third equation. This is your third equation, x equal to 14 minus 5. You will put the value of y equal to 5 here and find the value of x. Put the value of y in equation is this one, x equal to 14 minus y. So put the value of y, your y value is 5, then x equal to 14 में से 5 subtract किया, it is 9. And if you have to verify this question, your answer is wrong, right? Then you will do the check out also. Verification, how you will do it? Two equations are given in this question. You can take any equation, first one or second one, you can choose any one equation, x plus y equal to 14. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. And take the left hand side first. Your x is 9 and y is 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 equal to 14. So left hand side equal to right hand side. This is the verification. In some question, you have to do the verification of these questions also. Then you will check it. Otherwise, this is the solution. X equal to 9 and y equal to 5. Now, some of the question when came in the statement form. Now, when the questions came in the statement form and you have to use this method, substitution method. So first question I am taking, third question, your statement question, and first question is, form a pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. You read the statement and open your NCERT books. The first statement is the difference of two numbers. The difference of two numbers is 26. And one number is 3 times the other. And one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. How you will solve this question? Will assume let the one number is x and the another number is y. It means x is assume करना पड़ेगा हमें one number is greater than the another, because when you subtract these two numbers, smallest number is subtracted from the greater number. So the difference of the two number is 26. Then x minus y equal to 26. This is your first equation. Okay. Second equation is one number is 3 times the other. This number, one number is 3 times the another number. Okay. So this is your second equation. You can replace 3y on the left hand side also, and it become your second equation. But again, you have to find the value of x or y and put it on the substitute in the second equation. Here it is given, already given, it is in the substitution form, the value of x equal to 3y, and you will put the value of x in the equation 1. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. Your equation 1 is x minus y equal to 26, and you will substitute the value of x in equation 1, x equal to 3y. So you put the value of x, in place of x you put the value of 3y. 3y minus y equal to 26. Okay. Subtract 3y, 1y from 3y, it is equal to 2y. Then y equal to 26 upon 2, that is equal to 30. The value of y is 30. Now put the value of y in second equation. Put the value of y, put the value of y in equation 2. This is your second equation, x equal to 3y. Now in place of y, you put the value of 30. X equal to 3 13. So x equal to 13. Then your two numbers are 10 and 13. And when you have to check this question, the difference between 29 subtract 13, your difference is also equal to 26. And if you want to check this one also, y equal to 13, then x equal to 3 into 13, 39. And your 39 values are also given. Then this is your statement question. You have to first make the statement. First you make the equation, then you solve it and find the value of two numbers. One statement question I'm more taking, and using the same method, the larger of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree, find them. The larger of two supplementary angles angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. By 18 degree, find them. How you will find them? You know it very well. The supplementary angle are those angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree, and one angle is larger and one angle is smaller, because their measure is more than 90 degree. So if we take it let the larger angle be x degree and the smaller angle be y degree, and both are the supplementary angle. The sum of the, when the pair of the two angle is equal to 180 degree, called the supplementary angle, and complementary angle are those angle whose sum is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so first equation is x plus y equal to, and second equation it is given the larger of the two supplementary angle में से which one is larger, the larger angle is exceed the smaller angle by 18 degree. जो larger angle है वो smaller angle से 18 degree बड़ा है, तो this is your second equation, x equal to y plus 18. your larger angle जो है वो सिर्फ 18 डिग्री जो है एंगल y से स्मॉलर एंगल से क्या है, एक्सीडेड है, ज्यादा है. दिस इज योर सेकंड इक्वेशन. ऑलरेडी this is given in the form of that x equal to y plus 18. You will substitute the value of x in first equation. Substitute the value of x, in equation 1. This is your first equation, x plus y equal to 180. Then the value of x is y plus 18. You put the value of x here, y plus 18. Then y plus y, it is equal to 2y, and 18 substitute on the 18, take from here, from the left hand side to the right hand side, 180 minus 18. It is equal to 162. Then the value of y is 2 on the right hand side, shifted on the right hand side, 162 divided by 2 is 81. Okay, now the value of x is, put the value of y, first write down this, put the value of y in equation 2. This is your second equation, x equal to y plus 80. Now the value of y is 81. 81 plus 18, it is equal to 99. So the supplementary angle whose sum is 180 degree. Check this question also. Is your answer is right or wrong? These two angles, x and y, their sum is equal to 180 degree. So supplementary angle are those angle whose sum is 180 degree. So check this question also. 81 plus your larger angle is 99 degree, and larger angle is greater than by smaller angle by 18 degree also. Subtract 81 from 99. Check also. Your larger x equal to 99 degree and y equal to 81 degree. These are the answer of this question. Try third question yourself, and I am taking the fourth question. Question number 4. Third के part दे रखे थे, five parts are given. So I am taking the fourth question now. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charge covered. For a distance of group is 1, so read the statement again.